What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today guys, the video is very interesting because the video is about ethical hacking courses. I'm not talking about illegal hacking. You can do this course even if you don't have a knowledge of hacking. This video is especially for students. So guys, watch the video till end. If you are new on this channel, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Nowadays guys, most of the peoples are using internet and social media, and also hackers are on rise. You are also well known about the news that someone's credit card has been hacked, someone's debit card has been hacked, or someone's Instagram account has been hacked, someone's Facebook account has been hacked. Because guys, most of the peoples don't have a knowledge about ethical hacking. The hackers attack those peoples who don't even have a knowledge of hacking. So that's why I made this video, so that you can gain some knowledge about hacking, so that you can protect yourself from hacking attacks. So guys, the worth of the course is about $30, but guys, I'm here for you. You can do this course totally free. Even you don't have to pay anything for this course. You can do this course if you don't have a knowledge of hacking, if you are a student and you are searching for any ethical hacking courses for free. Now guys, I will show you how you can do this course. Just click on this link. The link is given in the description. Click on the link and wait here. Go down. See guys, you can see here ethical hacking from scratch to advanced technique course. This course is for beginners guys. You can see here. Click on this. You can watch this course online. You don't need to download this course. You can see guys, introduction here. Click on this. You can see here.
Welcome to Ethical Hacking from Scratch to Advanced Technique.
This course is in
Mohammed
English
Adil,
language.
and today I'm going to introduce to you a new course for ethical hacking.
If you guys want to download this course, you should have to download the VMware player. After that, you can see here, set up your lab. Install, you should have to install VMware player. After that, you can install and configure these setups. Start to use Linux. You can see here. You can see here guys, you should have to tap on this and you can see here, start. Without VMware player, you can't watch this course or you can't download this course. You should have to download the VMware player. The link of the VMware player description. So guys, if you are interested in ethical hacking, subscribe our channel, because in upcoming videos we will provide you ethical hacking courses, advanced ethical hacking courses. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, so please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that, goodbye.